Coding Kid here. Today we're going to add some animation. This ball looks pretty boring, so let's give it some life. First, let's add some basic movement. Let's create a Y variable for the Y position of the ball. We'll make it 100 so that the ball appears near the top of the screen. Let's try. Great! Next, we will create a variable for speed. Let's try 5 units per frame. Let's add some comments to the draw function, which will contain most of our code. First, we will do the calculations and then we will do the drawing. And now we will add the speed to the Y variable so that the ball moves down the screen. Remember, Y increases as we move down the canvas. Let's see what that does. Nice, we have some animation, and it looks like the sun has fallen through the ground. Let's fix that. We don't want the Y value to ever be greater than the height of the canvas. We can use the min function to give us this effect. That was an improvement, but we can do better. The X and Y coordinates of the ball are actually for the center of the ball. So we need to subtract the radius of the ball, which is simply the size of the ball divided by 2. Okay, that was a mistake. The size of the ball is 100, not 50. This is a good time to introduce a variable for size, since we're using it in 2 places. And let's test it with a different size to make sure it's working. Cool! Let's make it bounce. First, let's add an if statement to check if the ball is at the bottom of the canvas. If Y is greater than or equal to height, then speed is assigned to minus speed. This will make the ball go in the opposite direction. Let's test it. That didn't work because we need to take the radius into account. So Y plus size divided by 2. Great! The ball has bounced into space. We need to add some gravity. Gravity will make the ball fall faster and bounce lower. Let's add a variable for gravity. We'll make it. Let's try 0.4 units per frame and see how that looks. We should update speed to take the gravity into account. That looks better, but the ball is losing speed too slowly, so we need to account for the impact of the ball on the ground. So we will say speed is assigned to speed times 0.7. Okay, that removed too much energy. Let's try 0.8 to remove 20% of the energy with each bounce. Fantastic! That looks more realistic. That's it. Next, we will add lots of balls with different colors. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.